In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Asana Intelligence AI in your projects and workflows. 5 minutes. Let's start by getting into Asana. Head to the Asana login page, type in your email address, continue, then enter your password and log in. If your organization uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, just follow those prompts. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you're ready to let Asana Intelligence do the heavy lifting. Click the Create button and choose Project. You can pick a template if you already know the structure you want, or start with a blank project to explore what AI can generate for you. Give your project a clear, action-oriented name so it's obvious what success looks like when you share it with your team. Now, choose Set Up with Asana AI. This is where Asana Intelligence proposes a project structure for you. Click Generate Preview to see the draft plan. You'll get a suggested layout with sections, tasks, and potentially fields that match the type of work you're managing. Review what it creates and make quick edits if needed. Rename sections, trim tasks that aren't relevant, or add missing pieces. When the preview looks right, click Create Project to lock it in. Inside your new project, you can use Asana AI to plan tasks from a high-level goal. Open a task or start a new one and ask AI to break down the work. It will suggest a set of steps that cover the core milestones and handoffs. If a task is complex, ask AI to suggest subtasks to capture the smaller actions, owners, and approximate timelines. This is especially useful for onboarding checklists, sprint plans, or event run sheets. To streamline intake, have Asana AI suggest a form for your project. It can propose fields that capture the details your team needs up front, reducing back and forth and ensuring requests arrive complete. While you're at it, ask AI to suggest rules for automation, things like moving tasks to the right section when statuses change, assigning work when forms are submitted, or nudging due dates when dependencies shift. Communication gets smarter too. In comments, use Asana's Smart Chat to craft clear, concise responses from your notes or the task context. It helps you strike the right tone and keep updates consistent. And when you need to share progress, let AI draft status updates based on recent activity, then personalize the message before posting so everyone stays aligned. That's it. Log in, create your project with Asana AI, refine the preview, and let intelligence help you plan, automate, and communicate.